guys, it's Mel here. As you can see, it's pretty dark right now because today is a very gloomy day. It's gonna rain for the next couple of weeks, I think, which is a huge problem because I rely on sunlight to film my videos. So in this video, I'm gonna fix this problem. A couple of days ago, I ordered some Softbox light from Amazon and it arrived yesterday. So I'm gonna unbox this, show you guys what's in it and give you a little review. I also got a tripod, so I'm gonna include it in this video. And yeah, I'm really excited because it's the first time that I order on Amazon because I'm from Switzerland and in Switzerland we don't have Amazon. So yeah, without further ado, let's open the boxes. So I just turned on the lights just so that it's not too dark. What you saw before was just the natural light from the windows. But yeah, as you can see, even with the lights on, like, it's not really flattering. So that's why I wanted to invest in some pro lighting. So it comes in this box. Okay, so it comes with a bag, some instructions. This is an attachment for the phone, for the GoPro or like sport camera, and a little remote shutter. It's pretty small. It's very, very light. Feels a little flimsy, I'm not gonna lie, but I think that should do the work. I was expecting this part to be like way larger when it's open, but it's actually pretty small. I don't know if you can see that, but okay, so I just put it on the tripod so that it's more eye level. So now let's open up the lights. Okay, it comes in another box. I was actually surprised that it was this big, but it's actually not that big. So as you can see, I got the brand Amstel, which was 70 euros, 69.9 I think to be exact. With that. So the lamp, so we have here the two softbox with the diffuser, two tripods, two lamps, the little bags for the softbox, a big bag to store everything, and the manual. Also, one thing important is that I thought maybe I could use this tripod to put the camera on, but as you can see, this is not the typical thing to put your camera on, so that wouldn't work. And as you can see, it can go pretty high, it almost touches the ceiling. It's higher than me, like with my hand up, so I'm not gonna put it that high because there's no point. Okay, so that's pretty simple. So you open it like this and you just need to push this down and secure it onto here. And that's it. And we're gonna put this on the tripod. The cable is not that long, so it's about 2 meters maybe, so keep that in mind. And now let's put the diffuser on. Okay, first the lamp. And now I'm gonna put the diffuser on. Like this, And there are some Velcro here as well. One done. It was pretty easy. I'm gonna plug it in to see, and then I'll do the second one. Oh, it worked. It's pretty bright. Let's see. Oh. Okay, so I'm putting it next to it. So right now we just have those lights on, and now I'm gonna turn it on. Wow, that's pretty good actually. Even just with one light on. What do you think? Should I turn the lights off all the way? So now it's just the softbox, because outside it's very dark. I can just close the window, it's the same. So that's one light. I'm gonna show you with the second light. What if I put it right in front of it? That's like a ring light, right? And secure it here. And then I can also fix this here. So that's without the diffuser. And so that's with the diffuser. So now let's see. I'm gonna put this light behind, and so now I have the two lights on. I think it's really good actually. I'm really happy with the results. Let me test things out. Okay, so right now I just have my two home lights on. I'm gonna show you guys the setup. So I have this light here on, this one which is a bit yellow, and this is the setup. I have my camera here and the two lights here. So now let's switch this one on. So now I have this one on and the two lights here. I think it is much better already, but as you can see there's a bit of a shadow. And now let's turn this one as well. And now I have the two lights on, and as you can see it's very bright. I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? Now I'm gonna try to turn these lights off, and so now it's only the softbox. It's really good. It's maybe a little bit cool, but I guess you can fix that with color grading, so that's pretty good. So let me set up this camera and do my final review. So this is the bag that it came with. Oh my god, I'm so happy. What do you guys think? They were only 70 bucks for the two soft lights, which I think it's a very great deal. Honestly, I've looked up for lights and it can get pretty expensive, so I think it's pretty good. Right now I don't have any lights on other than the softbox, and so I think that tells you how powerful they are. With the diffusers on, it's not too bright, like it's not hurting my eyes and it doesn't give me a headache, and I'm not getting hot because of the lights, so that's really good. It's definitely worth it to invest in them. If you're on a budget, I would highly suggest you buy them. I've looked up other lights and honestly these are the cheapest ones, I think. I'm gonna leave the links down in the description if you want to check it out. It's obviously not necessary if you have good weather where you live and so you can use natural light from the windows. Quality wise, it's probably not the best quality, but it's pretty good for what it is. And as for the tripod, it's very flimsy. I would not recommend, but I'm still gonna leave a link down in the description if you want to check it out. It's not bad, it does the job, and honestly I think it's better than not having a tripod. And for the price, I can't really complain, but I think you can find a better quality one for a maybe slightly higher price or the same price. So yeah, these are my final thoughts on the tripod and the softbox. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. That would help me a lot. If you are looking into these items and want to buy it but have some questions, make sure to leave them in the comments section so that I can respond to them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!